everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off notifications in June's Journey game. If you're tired of constant notifications popping up while you play or during your day, you are not alone. You can easily turn off notifications in June's Journey safely and quickly, so let's get started. First of all, launch open June's Journey application on your smartphone or tablet, and from the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on notifications at the top. You'll see the push notifications enabled on the left hand corner. You can go ahead and turn off any notifications you don't want to receive. For example, if you don't want to receive the energy refilled notification, turn off the button right in front of it. You can easily tap on the boxes to turn off any notifications you don't want to receive. If you want to turn off all in-game notifications, then tap on System Settings. This will take you to your June's Journey application's notification page where you can tap on the button right next to Show Notification to turn it off. Now, this will turn off all the in-game notification you may receive from June's Journey. Your game will restart so that the changes applies, and now you won't be disturbed by unwanted notification pop-ups or alerts while enjoying June's Journey. You can focus on fully solving mysteries, finding hidden objects, and enjoying the story at your own pace. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.